Hello, Fisk families. It is my hope that this message finds you healthy as we approach the last week of our school year. Ready for summer, but also ready for the next school year. I have many announcements to make with this virtual open house, but my most important announcement is I love and miss you guys and I can't wait to see you. Fifth grade families, please plan to attend our upcoming release of our virtual fifth grade promotion, directed by the amazingly talented Mr. Villasenor. You will hear messages from Ms. Adcox, Ms. Hadel, Mr. Latin, and yours truly, among others. I am excited to announce students entering 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade for the 2020-2021 school year will loop with their teachers, meaning they will have the same peers and teachers they had last year. We decided to do this in order to mitigate the potential learning gaps created by our altered instructional year. Students entering 2nd grade will loop with their peers, but will have new teachers. And since we only have 2 1st grade teachers projected for next year, we will not be able to keep all current kindergarten students with their peers and teachers. Speaking of kindergarten, I want to thank the 20 parents for responding to our initial kindergarten roundup form. Now, in order to complete the official enrollment with KCKPS, please go to www.kckps.org and click the Infinite Campus tab. Once there, click on Start New Registration. Again, registration is required to enroll for the 2020-2021 school year. The registration window will be open until May 20th. If you have a child care provider that resides in our attendance area, please complete a child care permit, which can be completed online. Go to www.kckps.org, go to Parents and Students tab, scroll, and then complete the online school transfer request. Documents required for enrollment include birth certificate, state issued, immunizations, current physical, within 1 year, proof of address, not including junk mail and within 30 days, and parent identification, state issued or a passport. Please look for additional information from our kindergarten teachers. We have Miss Carly, Miss Clements, and Miss Stokes who make up a wonderful kindergarten team. Please contact the Student Call Center or Student Services at 913-627-2455 if you have any questions. Finally, summer school will be available for a select group of students who have actively participated in online learning over the last 5 weeks. Summer school will begin June 1st and end June 25th. Teachers will schedule learning opportunities between the hours of 9 and 12, Monday through Thursday. For those students who rely more on learning packets, don't fret. We will have learning packets available as well. Well, that's it for this video message. Please know I miss you guys, and I can't wait to see you at Fisk next year. Love and peace to my Lions.